The Kid Night Show. What's up, guys? I'm riding my dirt bike. And make sure you hit the like button. Watch me come down. Ready? Ready, guys? Set, go.
Hey guys, welcome back to his channel. Yes, guys, my baby is not a baby anymore. Nope, not a baby anymore. He is getting too big too quick. Look, he riding that bike like nothing. Look at him. Look at him. That's it. Look at him. That's it. He's great. He's great on it. He's awesome. He learned too quick. Now he wants a bike that actually have or takes fuel. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Should we get him a four-wheeler, a gas four-wheeler? Maybe a quad, ATV, whatever you want to call it. Dirt bike. What do you guys think? Should we upgrade to a bigger bike? Guys, smash that like button. Please don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you guys subscribe. Don't miss any of his videos. Right? Gotta keep this channel alive, guys. Gotta keep this channel alive. See? Woo! Beautiful bike. Look at that. That bike is electrical, guys. It's not fuel. It's not gas. So let me know if you smash the like button. Couple likes, a whole bunch of likes. Maybe we'll upgrade him with a bigger quad or a bigger dirt bike, fuel, so he could go faster. Look at him go. Look at him go.
Mama.
See you later, okay?
That's mine. Say hi to mine. Say bye to mine. Guys, mine's going to work. While me and my munchkin stay here.
Huh?
Riding dirt bikes.
Huh?
Right? Get his helmet, guys. What do you guys think about his helmet? Right? That's a beautiful helmet, beautiful color.
Look at
that.
me.
Those
I
colors
can
are
circle
dope.
around.
Colors are awesome. You gotta be careful. Mama's leaving. Come this way. What do you think, Nadia? Should we upgrade your bike and get one with of gas?
Yeah.
Bigger bike so you can go faster? What do you think?
I mean, I've got my gas right here.
Yeah, but real gas. What do you think? Should we do a gas?
A real gas.
Get a bigger bike? Should we buy a bigger bike? Maybe a four-wheeler? How about a four-wheeler? You like a four-wheeler? Yeah?
Ethan!
Four-wheeler with gas?
Yeah?
Okay?
Yeah.
It'll go, I think it's faster than that. What do you guys think? Is it faster with fuel? I think so. I think he'll have super fun on it. Hopefully he won't crash, but we'll see.
Hound. Hound. Oh, oh.
Guys, he's mentioning his school, the school he's in.
What?
I guess him and the neighbor are in the same school.
Huh?
Look at him. You think he's big.
Oh, Dad, do you want to go to the practice?
Look at him go, look at him spin. Do a donut, Papa, do a donut. Do a donut.
How you do a donut?
This is spinning around. Gotta spin it, 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 spin it. Look at him go. Oh my god, that is dizzy. Wait, I'm dizzy. Oh my god, I'm dizzy. Look at him, look at him, look at him. Do a Willy, Papa, do a Willy. Do a Willy, do a Willy. Careful.
Please subscribe, and that's how I ride my bike. Please subscribe and share my video.